Alright, once you have finished with your spreadsheet about the source of energy and how much energy that source use, this video is going to show you how to convert this spreadsheet into a Sankey diagram using the automatic Sankey diagram generator. Okay, so now in this example, my spreadsheet is not finished. I only have like 3 things, but I'm just gonna show you how to do it. For you need to finish your spreadsheet before you would do the Sankey diagram. Okay, so in this example spreadsheet, which is not finished, I was looking at the white fluorescent lights, halogen lights in the gym, and the hallway lights. So you could make this whole thing into one category. I could just call this whole thing the lights category. Yeah, I'm going to show you. So this is a Sankeymatic.com page where pretty much you just have to input the number and it will build the Sankey diagram for you so that you don't have to manually do it. So it's pretty simple. Pretty much you just say the source name, the amount inside the bracket like so, and then the target, meaning where does it go to. First thing I have here is total energy being 7,600. I got this value from, as I said before, right here. This is the amount that we know we use because we pay our electric bill, and that's what it said. That's much per day. Okay. Now we're gonna say that those energy are going to different purposes. And here I haven't done all the purposes, but I just look at the lights. So looks like I use 524 for the classroom light, 38 for the gym light, and 200 for the hallways light. So in total for lights, sum in total, if I total all the lights, it looks like I have used 763 for all the different lights. Okay, so what I can say is that I can say, okay, total energy that I have is 7,600, and that's the amount of energy that I'm using. From this energy used, 7,763 are going into lights. See, so the source, the target is on the right, the amount, where is it coming from the energy is on the left. Okay, when I click preview, this is what it says, total energy is that much. I'm using that much, going into lights that much. Okay, now within these lights, several different lights. So I can say lights, total lights, can't remember the number. 524 is classroom lights in. Okay, so I have typed in, okay, going from the light source, for lights I have these three types, and this is the amount that have gone in. So when I click on that, that's what it say. Total energy go in, that much go into lights, that much go into classroom, gym, hallway lights. Now you gotta be careful with your typing. So if you use lowercase for everything, then you need to go lowercase. Let's say if I make a mistake and I type lights here in uppercase, what is that gonna look like? Bam. Oop, where does the hallways light go? Here it is. The computer doesn't know where that come from, so it's starting a new thing down here. So that's is typo. That is problem. So you need to make sure all your things match up. Okay, so there you go. You got total energy used 7,600, 763 of which go into lights, going to lights, 524 going to classroom light, 38 go to gym light, that much go to hallway lights. So far so good? Okay, now it's gonna get a little bit complicated. Now we know that for the classroom light, 350. Okay, so I'm gonna just highlight this column because these columns are what we want. We care about the other columns we don't care about. So let's just make it your total. This one is just highlighting it so that I don't get messed up. Okay, this is the useful, and this column show you the wasted. Okay, now within for classroom lights, 350 is useful, 175 is wasted. So that's what I'm gonna specify in my Sankey diagram. So I'm gonna say, so here I have classroom light, part of it is useful, classroom light, part of it is wasted. 350 is useful, and 175 is wasted. Okay, now let's preview it. Bam. Okay, see total energy. Now it just added these things, which mean the classroom light now is being split into useful and wasted. I can do the same thing for the gym light and the hallway lights. Okay, once I type in all the detail that I wanted, gym light that much useful, that much wasted, I can preview it. Click on the preview button and look, whoa! So the program have automatically helped me put the classroom lights, portion of the classroom lights into this useful, and portion of the hallway light that is useful together. So see the flow go together this way, that flow over there, and gym lights also give me the value that goes into the useful and the wasted. So what it does here that's good is that it add up all the useful, and then it give you the total useful at the end here, and the total wasted energy at the end here. Doesn't matter what are the sources. Yeah, and you can do the same thing for the other purposes, all the other purposes. And again, don't forget to check if there's any typo. If there's any typo, you should see like a separate thing at the end here.